No one likes surprises, especially when they cost thousands of dollars. Today, we are tackling stamp duty, ensuring you are fully prepared when it comes to this critical piece of your property buying puzzle. Hello and welcome. I am Rupali, your trusted buyer's agent and guide through the maze of property investment. Today, we are demystifying one of the biggest financial responsibilities that often catches property buyers off guard: stamp duty. This is a crucial term every investor should know before signing on the dotted line. Stamp duty is a mandatory tax imposed by state governments when you purchase a property. The cost? It can be a staggering amount to as much as 3 to 4% of the purchase price. Depending on the property's price, location, and its intended use, this could mean tens of thousands of dollars. Many buyers diligently save for their deposit but overlook this significant expense, which can lead to a financial strain. It's like preparing for a marathon and forgetting your running shoes on the race day. So how can you prepare? Start by budgeting for stamp duty early in your planning process. Understanding the concessions available in your state can also significantly reduce the burden, making your property purchase much more comfortable. As your buyer's agent, our goal is to ensure that you are not only prepared, but also that you excel in your real estate investment journey. By being informed and proactive, you can navigate through these financial obligations with ease and confidence. Remember, a successful property investment starts with the right knowledge, and we are here to help build that strong foundation. Stay savvy, stay informed, and let's make your property dreams a reality. Join me next time for more insights into the art of property acquisition. Until then, I'm Rupali, guiding you home.